Hi, fourth graders. Today we're going to learn about subtracting across zeros using borrowing or regrouping. Our number is 9,000 minus 523. And our friend over here in the corner says, I can't take 3 away from 0. What do I do? So 0 in the ones place says, I'm going to ask my neighbor. Knock, knock. 0 in the tens place says, sorry, can't help you. Go next door. 0 in the hundreds place says, sorry, can't help you. Go next door. 9 in the thousands place says, hi, come on in. I can let you borrow 1. So we cross out the 9. The 9 becomes an 8. And the 8 says, now take it next door. So we're going to go to the 0 in the hundreds place. We're going to put a 1 above it. And now the 0 in the tens place asks the 0 in the hundreds place, now can I borrow a 1? So we cross out that 10. It becomes a 9. 9 says, take it next door. And the 0 in the tens place, we put a 1 above it. So it looks like a 10. Now the 0 in the ones place says, now can I borrow a 1? So we cross out that 10, really the 0, in the tens place. It becomes a 9. 9 says, take it next door. We add the 1 above the 0 in the ones place. And now we're ready to do our subtraction. 10 minus 3 is equals to 7. 9 minus 2 is equals to 7. 9 minus 5 is equals to 4. And 8 minus 0 is equals to 8. So the total of 9,000 minus 523 is 8,477. Those sure were helpful neighbors. Okay, so I can't take 5 from 1. I'm going to borrow again from my neighbors. All the zeros became a 9, and the number in the ones place, you add a 1, and the largest place value, you subtract 1. Let's get started. So we're going to borrow from the 0. That becomes a 9. We add a 1 above the 1 in the ones place. The 0 in the hundreds place, we cross that out. It becomes a 9. We go to its neighbor, the 0 in the thousands place. We cross that one out. It becomes a 9. And we go to the 1 in the 10,000s place. We cross that one out, subtract 1 from that value of 1, and that becomes a 0. Now we subtract. 11 minus 5 is equals to 6. 9 minus 3 is equals to 6. 9 minus 2 is equals to 7. 9 minus 0 is equals to 9. And our total of 10,001 minus 235 is equals to 9,766. So let's watch a video that uses base 10 blocks explaining this same thing. Now it's your turn to try. Good luck, fourth grade.